Here, hold the phone. Hold the phone. What are we doing here today, Al?
We're watching the Suzuki.
Yeah, no dirty words. Here, what are we doing? What's that white shit on the floor? What the fuck is going on here, Al?
The Suzuki is getting prepared for snowfall in the winter.
We're playing with the sphincter? Was that what you said? You're not supposed to say dirty things.
Oh, no? I'll only talk medical.
This is supposed to be a family film. Wow. My motor mount broke. If anybody's been watching this stupid fucking channel we got here, they all would know that I just put this motor in, and the transmission mount took a shit, and I didn't change the motor mounts when I did the motor because I'm lazy. So the motor mount let go, and now she's flopping around and vibrating like a pig because we have the divorce transfer case on the Suzuki Samurai, for those of you that don't know. And for those of you that do know, congratulations. So now what I'm going to do, now that I got her all good and frothy, I'm going to give her a blowjob to clean her up nice and we can tune back in about 10 minutes after I do a little more cleaning, and I can show you what's clean under there. You should have seen how dirty it was, but I can't show you right now because I already started. But I don't think I'm going to blow us up because part of my cleaning method is I like to use starter fluid on the motor while I'm smoking, and he's probably right, but he won't know it when it's over. He won't know it. So, and as he's sitting next to the propane tank, but that's it. That's all. You'll have to come back. You have to tune in later.
Tune in later.
Oh, and avoid the clap.
And definitely avoid the clap.